How to make Goan para, also known as Goan fish pickle. Kashmiri chili 20 to 25, Goan vinegar 300 ml. If you can't find Goan vinegar, use toddy vinegar or coconut vinegar. Soak at least 2 to 3 hours so it gets soft and your masala become very nice and fine paste. No water used in this recipe. Garlic around 10 to 12. Now spices. Cumin seed half teaspoon. Add chili and vinegar and make a fine paste. Dry mackerel we're gonna use. Mackerel need to be cleaned and washed with vinegar. Please do not use any water because we're going to store this for at least 6 to 7 months. I prefer to clean this with vinegar. Add more vinegar and make a fine paste. Remember, no water added in this recipe. If you add water, you can't store for long. Now mix everything. And store in a glass or ceramic jar. Please do not use plastic container. After a week, leave it for a week and try after 1 week. Your pickle is ready. As a healthy option, I prefer olive oil. It's completely up to you what you want to use. Fry your fish something like this. The fish is already soft enough, it won't take too long. Add some extra masalas if you prefer to use some. It will take 4 to 5 minutes each side. When you get better color, then it's done. Try to cook in a medium flame. Our fish fara is ready now. You can serve with lunch or dinner or any special salad. I prefer with salad. Thanks for watching Chef Don. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.